Hello everyone, Yorka Rebecca here. Here in this page, I'm gonna make a face. I used an old paper I did back in 2020 when the pandemic started. So I have a lot of those papers started around. So I add some color in the background, a little bit to give it more something. And then I use my archival ink to stamp a few things around. I like the archival ink because it doesn't run when you add any other medium, water or something, so it's permanent. Now I put some ribbons around. I'm gonna add some background paper, kind of collage thing. I add this paper that I have music sheet from very old music books that I got in some thrift shop in some point. Now I'm tracing the face that I had sketched before with my intense colors, because the same thing, when you add water they act like watercolor pencils, but then when they get dry they're permanent. You are not going to be able to move it anymore, the color. So now in this case I try to use my intense to color the whole paint. So I'm trying to take colors there that make the shade of the face, the lips, all that stuff, and then I'm coloring. I didn't like the end result only with the color pencils because with the intense, because I cannot give it too much shade. It was like they all blend together and it didn't work out that well. So I think if I'm gonna do that, first I need to use one color, wait until they dry, then add different colors so they don't mix. But you learn, right? And then I add a lot of the intense in the hair too, very dark, so they all blend when you add the water. That wasn't the effect I wanted. Now I'm adding water, and then at that moment I am realizing that it's not working. They're all blended, you cannot see the different colors, so I try to add some white so you have some shades on it, but they're all just blending all together. But with a little bit of white the color looks more realistic, more really skin. The other was more like bronze yellowish. Here I keep trying to add in more shades in the face, but you cannot really appreciate it. I need to work with the shine. I see the shine in the paint. I'm sorry, I don't know how to fix it. I need to work with that. Bear with me until I figure it out. Now I'm coloring the lips. I need to try this again, but in the right way. One color, wait until dry, then add the next color and see if that works better. So now I'm using all the leftover paint I used to add it to the background. Now I'm trying to use the Inkten blush. I love those for the hair, but like I put so much Inktense in the dark color for the hair, you are not gonna see the colors I add. The darker colors overshadow the other ones, so you're only gonna see the brown, the black, barely no blue. And the hair looked like she have a, I don't know, like a hat. The hair is kind of too big, but that's fine. And then I add some white so I can give it some shade in the hair, try to add more light on it. And then I decide to put gold to give it some light in the hair, in the face, sorry. And then I like it more. It look more, less flat, the paint, give it more like I don't know, something. And then I add some of it to the hair too. Now I add in some Mod Podge to like seal the face. Now I'm adding some white with my Posca white Posca pen. I'm loving that. I only have one and I love it. So probably I'm gonna need to get at least the black one. They're the two I can picture myself using. And I give it something, so I give it more shade on it. And that one is my Faber-Castell one. I tried to do the eyeshadows, but I didn't like it. So that one I'm using Artisan, I think is that brand, and I'm adding some gold on it. Keep it more definition. In that one I tried to do eyelashes, but I refused to keep them, so I erased them. Now adding more ribbons. Those are gold, perfect for the colors I give it to the shade. And I'm trying to figure it out which one works, which one doesn't work. Most of them are from the Dollar Tree, so they weren't that good, but that one was very good, and it's from the Dollar Tree too. Give me more gold. And I figured out if I cut it, it's much easier to deal with the paper. And now I think it's done. So I seal it with the spray hair and I like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.